Okay, 53, they want us to solve the equation, so let's solve. So a is 3x minus, now I have to distribute that 7 in, right? So 7 times 4 is 28, negative 7 times 4 is negative 28, and negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. Don't forget to distribute the negative. Equals negative x plus 2. Then I have like terms 3 and negative 14x, right? So that's negative 11x minus 28 equals negative x plus 2. Let's add 11x to both sides, right? So I get 11x minus x, that's 10x, plus 2. Now we'll subtract 2, negative 30 equals 10x. And divide by 10, negative 3 equals x. So x equals negative 3 for A. Okay, let's do B. For B, we have like terms, right? Negative 5 and negative 1 is negative 6x. Then I have plus 2 and plus 1, that's plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 from both sides, and then divide by negative 6. And I get x equals negative 3 over negative 6, which is 1/2.